Mitsubishi L200. It's been a builder's truck, a farm truck or something like that. Start with the wheels. Absolutely filthy, look as if they've not been cleaned for a long time. Got a lot of carbon build up off the brakes. It's got to take a lot of harsh chemicals to get that off, I think. Under the arches, yeah, typical farm truck. Somebody's already given it a quick wash, I think, trying to in an effort to try and make it look better, but it's not worked too well. In the bed, it's just battered, really. I think the new owner's going to get a bed liner for it, plastic liner, so that'll at least hide that. This is where it's bad. Usual builders, farm truck sort of thing. Everything's just covered in a layer of crud. Look at this in here, just revolting. Look, everything's absolutely filthy. Dashboard. Filthy. Look at this. Clean, yeah, I think we'll need to. Filthy. It gets worse. We get down here. Usual fingernail or toenail or whatever. Got some tobacco residue in there. To get down the sides of the seats though. Dog hair, crud. Just revolting. Horrible. These are the jobs that nobody wants to do. Filthy. Well, enough talking. Let's just go on with the cleaning. So we got the seats out and this is the, look at that. Tell you, it's one of those ones that gets washed before it gets better, I think. Well, let's keep going. Well guys, that's another one done. I'm quite happy with this result. It's nice and clean inside. The thing with these work trucks is you're always just trying to make the best of what you've got, because as the sort of nature of the beast with them being work trucks is you get scratches on them, you get marks on the leather, people getting in and out with their work boots on and tools and things on their hips and whatever. The stuff gets marked. That's just par for the course. So the brief was just to get it nice and clean. It's nice and clean. It's not getting any cleaner, that's for sure. Both in the back and in the front. It's lovely. 100 times better than what it was. The outside, well, we've dressed the tyres and the rubber, but the brief for the outside was just to clean it properly. There was no provisions in the budget to give it any sort of paint correction or even wax it, so the customer just wanted it clean. That's it. Same deal inside and out, he just wanted it clean, so that's what he's get. I think he'll be happy with that considering the condition it was in. Thanks for watching guys and girls. If you liked the video, click subscribe. Leave a comment below if you've got any suggestions and anything I can do to improve, or even just drop us a line below the video. Anything at all. Thanks for watching. Cheers guys and girls. Catch you later. Bye.